Hi there. It's kinda Fergana region and Sokh villages nature. Then you can see how kinda awesome. And we gotta pull up from there to up with my friends. So it's easy. Actually, I love hiking on the mountain. That's kinda emotion. That's kinda nature I ever see. Those are my friends. There are some difficulties, but so interesting. It's kind of mountains flower. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Awesome. We haven't come down to kind of snake seal. Actually, most people should hiking because hiking gives kind of emotion, kind of feeling, and kind of happiness. You can see my behind nature and so we continue to pull up the part of up mountain. My friends are speaking together and they are also pulling up to up of mountain. So incredible stones you can see. Oh, there is a bottle, and there's a kind of gorgeous flower you can see. So we can continue. Oh, actually, I'm a lover of travel, hiking on the mountain, on the beach, and anyway, it's so beautiful, so interesting, so experience it. And fact, I was born in the village in this stage, so it's interesting. Actually, we are staying up, if I'm not mistaken, we are 10,000 miles up here. It's so incredible, so impressive. We can continue. That's a good one. So oh, those are my friends. And you can see some of the goats. That's one. Oh, how incredible, how beautiful, so awesome. It's kind of emotion. Let's continue. So incredible, so beautiful nature I ever seen. There are some stuffs. These are my friends, and they are pulling up together with me. And so we are just hiking. We don't have any video camera or any way. We just have phone. So incredible stones, historical stones, and there is a kind of goat. Because we are rising up so normally, and that's so beautiful. I don't tire, it's really, I don't tire. Because it is taking me kind of feeling, kind of enjoy. You can see his stone. Even there is kind of natural gallery. That's so awesome. That's really awesome. So we can continue. Oh, I found a kind of awesome flower. You can see. Yo, that's really beautiful natural flower I ever seen. That was so fantastic and incredible traveling, hiking. So we can continue. Still we don't tire it. In front of me you can see my friends. They are also pulling up. Frankly speaking, we are so hoping to watch kind of beautiful sunshine. Back of me, you can see sun. So incredible. We almost arrived at the top of the mountain, and I'm gonna say you something. So everybody, every people, so temporary in this life. Everybody should hiking there, watch there. That's really kind of nature. That's really kind of feeling. That's so kind of fresh air. At the end of the day, you gotta control your emotion and kick all those fake people out of your life, or they will just drag you down. That's really interesting. Even there are a lot of snows at the top of mountain. So incredible. And I'm not taking a video with iPhone. This video I'm just taking in the Samsung S20, the model of S20, and you can watch behind of me. Wow, that's really awesome. Oh, and some turret, and we almost arrived at the top of mountain, and finally we arrived at the top of the mountain. You can see how beautiful the nature, how beautiful the Uzbekistan's nature. Wow, wow, really nice kind of emotion. We can run also, so so beautiful. Wow, I don't afraid taking the risk my life, but I really love traveling and hiking. Hiking there, it's so interesting. It has too much emotions. Wow, how incredible, how beautiful. Wow. Let's see behind of me. There is a sun, and I'm waiting for sunshine. At the beginning of video, I can say you bye, and let's wait for me until the next video and the next hiking. So bye guys. That was the real nature of Uzbekistan Fergana. So bye.